So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you about how to use the blast freezer. And this is actually a very simple and popular machine all over the world. It is used to store the food to keep its nutrition and its taste. At the very first, after you receive the goods, you just need to set it for a while. Actually, 24 hours is a perfect time that you need to set the blast freezer, and then you can feel how it works very well. And after you open the package, you just need to connect the electricity plug very directly, and then put the food inside. It has about 10 trays or the any capacity you can choose, and then you close the door to choose the cooling mode. You can set the time and the temperature here, and then you finish the whole process. And after you use the whole blast freezer, you just use the defrosting mode. It can defrost the whole blast freezer automatically. That's all.